Are you feeling for some crispy fried chicken and you cannot make your way to KFC? No problem. KK's Kitchen will show you exactly how to make crispy fried chicken KFC style. With this recipe, KFC have nothing on you. This is the only fried chicken recipe you will need. Welcome back, KK family. Welcome back. Happy to have you. So today I am using about 4 pounds of chicken. So I have different leg, thigh, breast, rib. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to thoroughly season my chicken. Okay. To get a good tasting chicken, you have to ensure that you have enough seasoning in your chicken. Okay. So here I have some seasoning. I have jerk seasoning, black pepper, meat seasoning, and some Maggi all-purpose. And I'm just mixing them together and going to season my chicken. Welcome to all those that are watching for the very first time. Thank you for coming. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if this content is something that you are looking for. And remember, when you subscribe, to turn on the notification bell. That's when I come again with another video. You will be first to be notified. And you can also join my team, KK Kitchen team, by joining my membership. Okay, so stay tuned and watch exactly how I make this crispy fried chicken KFC style. I am going to go in now with some oil, and I use this oil to help with the moisture in the chicken because I'm not going to use any egg nor milk. This chicken recipe, no egg, no milk. Okay, here I have some flour, and this is the coating now for the chicken. So I'm going to season it lightly. Remember, we already seasoned our chicken, right? So we don't want it to be salt or anything for the seasoning having salt. So I'm going in with a little Goya and a little black pepper. Whatever seasoning you have, you can use, but remember to use it lightly. Okay. So I'm going in now and I'm coating my chicken, okay? But what is going to happen here, for you to get that crispy fried chicken, you have to do this, okay? You have to do what I am doing for you to get that crispy fried chicken. So what I am going to do now, I am going to put the chicken in this coriander, and I'm going to put it in some water. So put it in the water, allow the water to cover the chicken, allow all the bubbles to come out of the chicken, strain off, and then re-coat. Right, so the re-coating is what going to allow you to get that crispy look and crispy taste of your fried chicken. So once you do it like this, as I said before, once you use this method, you don't want to use any other method, because this is going to give you exactly what you want. Here I'm testing the oil, if the oil is hot, and what I use to test the oil is to just sprinkle a little of the flour. Once the flour start bubbling pot, the oil is hot. Okay, so I am putting in my chicken and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes on each side. Here, after 10 minutes on each side, I'm removing my chicken from the pot, and this is the thigh, and you know the thigh sometimes take a little bit longer. So one of the things that you can use to test your chicken, when you put the fork in it, it's supposed to come out easily. And if you notice, when I put the fork in, it was not coming out easily in the thigh, so I'm leaving it to stay for probably another 5 minutes. But in the meantime, I am putting in some more chicken in the pot to finish up the fried chicken. Okay, and here I go now, taking out the thigh. You can see the crunchiness, the crispy fried thigh. Look at it, guys, look at it. KFC have nothing on you when you use this recipe to make your fried chicken. Very crunchy, very moist on the inside. And this is my crispy fried chicken, KFC style, guys. Look at it. I'm just having it with some ketchup and salad and lettuce. You can have it with whatever you want to have it with, guys. Try this recipe. This is a must try. Moist on the inside, crunchy on the outside. This is a must try recipe. And you can also put it with rice and peas, and you can make gravy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video. Take care, work good, God bless you.